How to set up voicemail on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to Phone app on your device. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen in the Phone app. After that, you will find Settings pop up. Click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and you'll find Voicemail. Click on Voicemail. After you have done that, turn on Visual Voicemail. This is not available in my region, so I can't do anything with that. Then go to Advanced Settings, add your voicemail number, and you're good to go. It will be according to your carrier. And this is how to set up voicemail on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.